Acrobat Reader DC. Download, install from official website. Free edition. Installation on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter Acrobat Reader download. Enter key press get.adobe.com reader. First link click. Adobe official web page complete display. Adobe Acrobat Reader, the world's most trusted free PDF viewer. Inbuilt features include with your download. First one, Adobe Express Photos section lo install Adobe Express Photos tool necessary tick mark set. Present unnecessary tick mark remove. Second option, Adobe Genuine section lo install Adobe Genuine service. This is unnecessary tick mark remove. Second option. Third option, more advanced install McAfee security scan plus. This is unnecessary option. Internet more consumption, loss of your data daily updated. This application unnecessary box tick mark remove. Bottom side download Acrobat Reader blue color button click. Let's finish your installation. Download section lo .exe executable file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo exe setup file display. Select mouse right click. Fourth option, run as administrator. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader installer window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Adobe Acrobat Reader installer window lo Adobe Acrobat Reader installation will be start. Fill in line blue color line 0 to 100% process completing until wait and here few minutes. 90% installation process completed. Desktop shortcut Adobe Acrobat Reader display. Installation complete 100%. Right side blue color button finish click. Select a default app for PDF files. Adobe Acrobat options. Select bottom side set default blue color button click. Browser close. System restart must. Restart process completed. Desktop Acrobat Reader icon select mouse double click. Welcome to Acrobat Reader interface window display. Maximize. Recommended tools for you section lo blue color button click. Open file button click. Left side desktop select. PDF file select. First button open click. Not now button click. OK click. OK click. Top section lo 3 dots. Menu click. Open option select. Insert the PDF file. Left side top section lo AI tools editing related. Second one editing PDF file related. Delete pages, individual pages delete. Next convert Word to Excel, Excel to Word, Word Excel converted options.